Well, hi everybody. Good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Another damp day today. Now, some of you it's going to be drizzly and rainy. Others will actually see legit showers and thunderstorms. Most of the activity so far this morning has been in the northern half of the state. In fact, as I speak, a few minutes after 7 o'clock here, areas around Greeley to Bartlett are getting hit pretty hard with some heavy rain, maybe some small hail out there. So the brunt of the activity will be to the north. The rest of us kind of drizzly conditions. Now, one thing to focus on is a frontal boundary stalled out just to the southeast of the Tri-Cities. It'll be warmer to the southeast today compared to folks farther north and west. Again, we'll continue to see mostly light rain or drizzle. There could be some spots with some moderate to heavy rainfall at times. The better chance will come then later on today. After 4, 5, 6 o'clock, I am expecting more showers and thunderstorms to fire up closer to that frontal boundary, and this has the potential maybe for some heavy rainfall, also the potential maybe for some severe weather out there. So notice the Tri-Cities area, not as much rain. It's going to be kind of, again, light rain or drizzle. There's an outside chance of maybe some stronger thunderstorms or heavier rain around Hastings maybe, but as you get towards Grand Island and Kearney, not as much of a chance, but certainly better chances to the southeast. Something to keep in mind, area high school football games going on this evening. Lightning could be an issue, maybe in some cancellations or postponements. Your best chances, again, I would say from York to Hastings to Phillipsburg, Kansas, southeastward is your best chance of seeing some of that. As we get later into the night, still keeping that chance most of the east. Now, as we get late after midnight, you still have a small chance of rain around the Tri-Cities, a little better chance to the east. That will then shift eastward. By Saturday, 7 a.m. to Saturday morning, your best chance of any lingering rain will be in far eastern Nebraska, starting to break up the clouds in central Nebraska. That shower activity in the east clears out by mid to late morning. Gradually, the sunshine works its way out. By afternoon, all of us should see sunshine. It'll be a gorgeous afternoon for your Saturday. The Husker game looks fantastic Saturday evening. Harvest of Harmony Parade in Grand Island should be just fine. Temperatures in the 50s for the most part during the parade, with at least partly to mostly sunny skies out there. Not too much wind, 5 to 15 mile per hour winds for the most part. I'll also point out a cold front to the northwest. That frontal boundary comes through on Sunday. Still not bad temperature-wise, and we'll still see plenty of sun on Sunday. The cool air lags behind a little bit, but it will bring a big cool down. So the coolest air of the season so far by early next week on Monday and Tuesday. So initially heaviest rains up north. Then we focus on the heaviest rains to the southeast as we head towards tonight. And again, notice this model here not spitting out as much moisture for the Tri-Cities area and off towards the west and southwest of there. So again, this kind of plays out how I'm thinking where the heaviest rains will likely be to the north initially this morning and then to the southeast later on today. We do have flood watches in place through early Saturday morning south and east of the Tri-Cities, again for the 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. To the southwest, dense fog advisory until 10 o'clock this morning. It's fairly foggy out there in many locations. Also a brand new flood advisory out there. I haven't even checked the time on that, but it's out for northern Custer County. There's also a little severe weather actually initially at this time. By the time I post this, it'll be gone, but up there in northern Cedar County up there in northeast Nebraska, which I do have one viewer up in that area up in Dixon County actually, so they may get on some isolated severe storms. Also a small chance of severe weather later today off towards the southeast. Large hail, your primary threat. The bigger threats are going to be down in Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas later on today and tonight. High temperatures today, 50s, mid-50s to mid-60s up north, so cooler conditions, those showers and thunderstorms especially right away this morning. Out west, probably not as much rainfall out west. We're looking at low to mid-60s for highs. And then again, that sharp contrast because of that frontal boundary. We could see 70s in Kansas, but only 60s in the Tri-Cities, and in fact much cooler in Hastings and Grand Island, or Kearney and Grand Island compared to Hastings. And then to the east, again, a sharp contrast where that front end's outlying. Again, it'll all be dependent on where exactly that front lines up, but showers and thunderstorms, especially towards tonight in those locations. Next several days, as I said, the showers, the clouds get out of here tomorrow. A great weekend in store. A couple of degrees cooler on Sunday. Then here comes that much cooler air as we get into Monday. Chances of rain will start to move in by Sunday evening out west. Later in the night, Sunday night, a small chance in the Tri-Cities. Our best chance during the daytime hours on Monday. Light rain, blustery, cool, temperatures struggling for highs on Monday. Chances of rain will linger into Monday night. By Monday late night after midnight, most of the rain should be gone. And in fact, if we can clear up skies, there's frost potential out there as many of us fall back into the 30s, maybe some mid, possibly lower 30s out there. Another coolish day on Tuesday, but at least we'll see mostly sunny skies return, highs still in the 50s. Maybe some patchy frost again towards Wednesday morning, but then Wednesday and Thursday look really nice, highs in the 60s with lots of sunshine. So there you go. There's your forecast. I'm out of time, so I got to say goodbye. I hope you all have a great weekend, and God bless.